Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I want to share with you guys my 5-step morning skincare routine. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Serum. This vitamin C targets dark spots, uneven tone, and expression lines. So I keep it in the fridge and just use a dropper and put a few drops on my hand. And then I just kind of pat it in my skin. I don't rub or pull, just lightly pat in. The second product I'm going to be using is a Trader Joe's Nourish Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. I've been using this serum for about 3 or 4 years now. So I just take a couple of drops and put it on my fingertips and then just pat it all over my skin. The third product I'm using is also from the Trader Joe's Nourish line, and it's the Antioxidant Facial Serum. And again, I just pump a couple of drops on my fingertips and then just pat it all over my face. And I usually give myself a little bit more time in between each step so the products can absorb into my skin. The fourth product I'm using is a Trader Joe's Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream. And I just use a tiny bit of this product because a little goes a long way. And the last product I use is Trader Joe's Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer or the Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. Also, with both moisturizers, a little goes a long way. So just need just a couple of dots and then you just pat it into your skin. The benefits of a good skincare routine include restored firmness and even texture. It's linked to overall health, both physical and mental. Guys, I don't necessarily go for the most expensive products, but products that are good quality products are what's important to my skincare routine. So guys, subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below what's your favorite morning skincare product. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.